Hey everybody, this is Karina with Ray and Ivy. Welcome back to our channel where we show you tips, tricks, hairstyles, anything and everything to do with wigs. The number one misconception with wigs is that you have to use glue or gel to wear one, and that is not true. And we're going to show you all of the different tips and tricks that we use here at Ray and Ivy so you can go out and about in your first wig, feel confident, and look good. So first off, right when you get your wig out of the box, you're gonna want to brush her. Now, what brush to use? You can use any type of brush. One option is a wide tooth comb, like this, and the curls are built to hold their shape. Any other type of brush also will work, but when you're using a regular brush, like one of these, you want to make sure that you don't pull too hard on the fibers because it can actually stretch out each strand and break it and stretch it out and it'll start to look frizzy. So you want to be very careful. The wide tooth combs do prevent a lot of the damage, but sometimes they will get a little bit tangled after you wear them all day. So you're gonna wanna really brush them out every single time after you wear them to prevent them from getting knotted, just like with your real hair. So the second thing that you're gonna wanna do right after you brush her, when you pull her out of the box, is cut off that lace. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some scissors and cut the lace right on the hairline. Your wig comes with 2 clips on the sides, and that will make your wig stay. And you can also tighten it using 2 straps here at the bottom. All of our wigs do come pre-styled, so they are literally ready to wear right out of the box. One of the tips that you can do that is super simple is just apply some powder on your lace to tint it to the color of your skin. So right away, that is gonna make it so the lace matches your skin tone. Next is the wig cap. With every order, you're gonna receive one of these. And this is our medium tan color. So in order to get your hair under the wig cap, there's a few different things that you can do depending on how much time you have. If you're newer to wigs, I recommend just doing 2 braids, like this. If you know how to French braid, that's even better. Braiding this side and pinning it like that with the bobby pin and doing the same on that side. I personally don't do that. There's a lot of different ways, like I said, so find a way that works for you. If you have really long hair, you might really want to go with that braided method. That will work better. What I found works for me is I just put the wig cap on and I take my hair like you're putting in a pony and I'm actually just shoving it under the wig cap like this. And then after all my hair is under, I spread it out with my hand so it doesn't look lumpy in the back. And I evenly disperse my hair. How you put on the wig, you're going to take both sides. The part should be closest to you, so to your stomach should be your part, and facing on the other end of you should be the back. You're gonna take these 2 clips, put your head down. Oh yeah, okay. So now you're gonna have to finagle it. Make sure all your hair is in the back. covered. End up having to shove a little bit of my hair under. And then you are going to put both clips under your wig cap so it stays nice and snug. Okay, so one of the first things you're gonna wanna do is work on the hairline. And this is gonna be really quick, really easy, and anyone can do it. Just pull back your hair using any clip. And what I'm gonna be doing is thinning out the front part of the wig. And the reason I'm doing this is if you look at your own hairline and your own hair when it's down, it isn't a full line straight across. And that is gonna make it look a little bit more realistic. Okay, so first, taking this front section, I'm only focusing on this front section right by where the hair is going to be parted. I'm taking some hair. I'm kind of going to go in a zigzag motion with my fingers to pull out some strands. And you don't want to pull out too many at once. Just a few, and I'm literally going to pull like so. Make sure you have a trash can near you. I'm gonna go in and pull, go in and pull. Be careful not to pull too many hairs at once, or else you can actually rip the lace. You can already see it starting to look a bit thinner. So what I'm doing is there is some hair in the front here, and I'm taking pieces of what's behind it, going in and going in a zigzag motion. And pulling hairs from this section that I just grabbed. The same thing. Grab this chunk of hair in the front that I was just working on. Grab a section here. Pull the rest back. And then use pieces of this. And again, going through a zigzag just to make it look natural and not spotty. Taking out the section in a zigzag motion, pulling more hair. As you can see, there's just a lot less hair in the front here. Next, you're gonna take any pair of scissors and we're gonna taper this front section and thin it, and we're gonna taper it so it lays right where her chin is. And how you taper is you use the scissors and gently cut in a downward motion, and you don't want to cut straight across. You want to gently cut like so, so it's even and gradually gets longer. See, it's not too straight across and it kind of thins out on the end, and it looks more natural. Now we're gonna thin out our part. You're gonna wanna make it wider, more defined, and a little bit sporadic to look more like a natural part. After your part is thinned, go in with any concealer or makeup and put it right in that part to make it look like your actual scalp.